Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing from Coach that I got in today. It is the small Savannah carry-all bag, and I did get the matching wallet to go with it. So yeah, I'm very excited and I want to do my unboxing with you guys. So before I do that, I want you to do a quick favor for me. I want you to go ahead and quickly hit that like and subscribe to my channel and continue to follow and support me. And for the ones that have been following me, I want to give a big shout out and tell you how appreciative I am. So let's get started. Um, this is a bag that I saw on sale and I debated on getting it because, you know, I do have quite a few bags, but I just could not resist this bag. It's just so cute. It is a navy and white floral Savannah carry-all. They do have this bag also in large, and I'm really getting away from buying large bags. This is the tag that I'm cutting off. I'm getting away from buying large bags. I really prefer to purchase small bags. And I just figured to, I have enough large bags and I find myself grabbing a smaller bag with my outfits. And I've also noticed when I have larger bags and I carry larger bags that I tend to put so much stuff in it just because I am carrying a larger bag and I know that it will fit, and it just becomes so heavy. So once I realized that, I really do prefer to carry smaller bags. I just will end up just putting anything in it from water bottles. I mean, if it'll fit, I'll throw it in there and I'll keep it in there, you know. So that becomes heavy on my shoulders, and it's just a lot of unnecessary stuff that I, you know, acquire and tend to just carry around. But this is really stuffed very nicely, is what I'm seeing. I'm already loving this bag. I know I'll have a lot of fun carrying it. You can tell it has multiple compartments. Yeah. So I almost got everything off of it. Let's see, this is the strap that I need to get the rest of the paper off. That wasn't too hard. I'm gonna cut this. There we go. But yeah, I'm already liking it. Let's go ahead and get started because this is a really cute bag. There's another. Okay, so this is a cute little Savannah carry-all in small. It says canvas on the website, but it really does feel like leather. And I know the bottom is leather, and it's got what I love, the foot bottoms in gold tone. It does have gold tone hardware, has the Coach name and logo on the front. And I like the contrast with the gold hardware and then the beautiful navy and white floral. It just makes it that much more beautiful. I like that the zipper goes all the way around, and it does have two zippers. So if you wanted to just have both of them meet in the middle, you can do that as well. But yeah, it has a middle zipper. When you open it, it's like a burgundy fabric lining. Then it has a outer fabric is the burgundy as well. Beautiful, beautiful burgundy fabric lining that is really pretty with this navy color. On this side, it has an open pocket. It does have the care instructions here with the barcode, but it has a little open pocket here where if you wanted to put like your cards or something in it. And then it has a magnetic closure on that side. It kind of reminds me of the Darcy carry-all. And on the other side, it has the same as far as the lining, purple, beautiful fabric lining. It has the brown leather Coach logo here with the telling about the history of it. That's on most bags. And it's just an open pocket. It doesn't have anything. And so it doesn't have any zippers on the inside. But it does have the magnetic on both sides as well. So it's on this side as well, the magnetic. So the con of this bag is that it doesn't have any zip pockets on it. It just has that one little small pocket. Yeah, that would be a con for me. Also, a con, it doesn't have any outside pockets, which I knew that when I purchased it, but that would be a con, a very small con, because I love this bag. I love the leather top handles, the leather Coach name on the dog tag. And it just looks like a really cute bag that you could really dress up. The shoulder strap is the smooth leather with the gold tone hardware and the adjustable strap as well. If you wanted to wear it as a shoulder or a crossbody, you could. But yeah, it's really cute. And I'm so glad that I purchased the matching wallet. And I'll just go ahead and open it. I was probably the last one because it said one left. And once I purchased it, it was gone. So I'm glad that I was able to get the matching wallet with it. This is the same as far as the canvas. Like I said, it feels like leather, but it says canvas on the website. The gold tone hardware has a beautiful zipper in the middle. I'll take this. Has the cards, the tag as far as the purchase price, and then the care instructions. And then it has also the fabric purple lining in it. You can put, you know, maybe your change in here. It has a button pocket here. This is beautiful purplish brown leather, looks like. The smooth leather. It has card slots here. You can put your money here, dollar bills. I tore that, but I was gonna take it out. So it has two open pockets here where you can put either money or whatever kind of notes or something you want, and then you can button it back. But on the other side, it has a button as well, and I do like this. And it has the Coach name here. It's the smooth leather. You can put your bills and notes as well. It's got two slots here where you can put dollar bills or your money or any kind of notes, important notes. And it also has where you can put your credit cards here, your driver's license here. So it just has a lot of room, and then it buttons on both sides. So it's really cute. It fits on the inside of the zip pocket, and it also fits on the outside pockets as well. So it's just really cute. I really love this bag, and I got a really good deal on it. So I'm very happy. I really want, I think this purse was $135.99, I believe. And I think it was like 70% off. And this wallet was $80.99. So yeah, I really wanted this wallet. So I've been trying not to buy so many wallets because I have so many wallets, and I usually just use like my little Louis Vuitton zippy wallets to go in my Coach purses or my other purses. But this was just so cute to me. I just wanted it to set. So I will do that sometimes, and I have no regrets on doing it this time. When you zip it, it's just so cute. I just like it. You can carry the bend of your arm. You can just kind of hold it, or you can carry it as a shoulder strap. Let me see. It has 2 D-rings on each side, and I'll just go ahead and put it on, and then I'll show you. Here's the D-ring on this side that it attaches, and the D-ring on the opposite side. And then you can just carry it as a shoulder or as a crossbody. So, yeah. So, if you own this bag, just tell me what you think. Is it a yay or nay for you? I'm going with the yay, because I mean, I think it's just adorable, and I think that the gold tone hardware, especially with the foot bottoms, just kind of sets it off. But it's really cute to me. You can dress it up with you know, little Coach charms, or you can just wear it just like this and it'll look just as classy. So I like it. So yeah, tell me what you think. And until next time, you all have a wonderful and blessed evening. Mwah.